Welcome, island family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are currently exploring Australia around what we're doing. As you can see, Babe is getting a log for me, an island to sit on. But I've been told by a friend to come out this way. It's called Paddy's Flats?
Yeah.
Anyway. It's just not far from home. It's about an hour's drive. But guys, it is absolutely beautiful. As you can hear the birds. Everything's just so sweet and pretty. And here's little island boy.
We have it.
His birthday is tomorrow. So we decided why not come out and enjoy a beautiful Sunday.
Mom.
You know. Yes, Island.
We have it.
What?
Have a boat.
Let's show everyone what we're working with here. Daddy's come to throw in the... Oh wow, there's no like mites or anything in there, babes. Babe's just getting a log for us to sit on, guys. You good? Hang on, let me move out the way.
Is there a space down there to sit?
Well, anyways, guys, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey?
You're so hot.
Say hi, babe.
Hi guys, welcome back. But there was a journey to get here. Crazy rocky road. Coming all the way from a mountain, so we're literally like down in a valley.
Look, and look at this, guys.
Beautiful. Gonna try fish here, guys. This is the best river I've seen so far because it's actually more clear.
Yeah, hopefully we can get the drone and do a run through. But yeah, we just went through a bridge and babe,
Yeah.
the bridge was a wooden bridge and we thought it was going to collapse.
Very sketchy bridge.
Yeah,
Very
we'll
sketchy.
show you on the way back home. But
Yeah.
yeah, we decided to come give this river a try and see what babes can catch.
Yeah, man.
And we're going to chill out and sit by the sun because it's still winter. So it's nice to be near the sun. Just obviously got to keep in mind of snakes.
So that's one thing that worries.
But other than that, that's about it really. But look at that, guys, beautiful.
It's rocky over there. Eh?
All rocks, surrounded by rocks.
Whoa.
Yay, happy days. Yep, and the water looks pretty too. It doesn't look very dirty.
As dark as some of the river I've seen, most of them.
Yeah, for sure. Alright babe, let's do this.
Where do you want me to put this? 'Cause thinking somewhere like a cool shade spot.
Well, where you are now is alright. We
Yeah.
could just sit up there. Yeah. Just make sure there's there, that's fine. Just make sure there's no like mites or anything in it. No,
Looks good.
looks good. Okay, cool. Well, we'll sit here and
Sit up.
chill. Alright. Okay.
Oh, this is a tree. What's wrong? Yeah?
Sit there.
This is
Yeah,
the-
you
this
sit
is
down.
the
Good
same
boy.
spiky thing. So Island just sit a while ago, guys, and these got on his clothes. They're very spiky.
Very spiky. They probably used to use them as a weapon
Yeah. They
to
kind of
shoot people.
they're like what we call boar in Jamaica, which pretty much stick to your clothes. So once you brush on them, they stick to you.
Yeah. Alright.
I have
Oh, it's so peaceful out here. I feel like I just want to lay down and sleep. So this might be a camping ground for us.
come sit
Yeah.
down, Mom.
Okay, I will, Island. I will. Definitely. Babe's getting set up, guys.
I like so much, Dada. You like more. Oh, my Sonic.
Someone's birthday's tomorrow.
Yeah, Sonic's birthday cake. And
Yeah.
Cookie Tom cake. And the Tom Tom fan cake. Yay!
Oh, yeah. Whoop, whoop, woo. Woo. Whoa, if you do that, it echoes.
Yeah.
Do it, babes. Woo.
Whoop, whoop.
Yay.
Yay!
We pay respects to the people of this land, the custodians, the indigenous.
I make that
before we throw our fishing line in there. Yeah. Beautiful Australia. You can hear the birds.
So this is what we're working with, guys. So I got recommended this to fish with in the river. Yeah man, so I'm gonna try that. I also have some prawns and I have this one. So using 2 different lure and we'll see if we can catch something. Yeah, I'll try this spot. Alright, so Babe's going for the first cast.
Whoa!
Where is it?
It's just right there.
Am I saying cashew, Dada?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just going right there.
That's as far as it's going.
See? See?
Wonder if there's bass
And ta-da!
fishing here.
Maybe Alan, we come down, babe.
My shoes. But my feet hungry.
That's super cold.
It's cold.
I don't even want to be in it for long.
Oh yeah. No. Yeah, it's cold. It's really cold. Oh yeah. You can jump in and quickly jump out.
So cold there. Hello, bundles. Mommy doing fishing.
Eh?
Yeah.
In the car. You don't want to lose it. No, you come here with me. Stand here and I'll go.
Ooh, ow, ow, ooh, ooh.
Dad?
You okay, Dada?
Not baby.
You okay, Dada?
Mummy baby. You a baby, not mummy. You a baby.
You okay, Dada? Where's that? Dada? Oh, nothing there. Let me go there.
Just beautiful.
Let me go there, Mom.
Where?
Right there.
Hang on. I'll tell Daddy to bring the blanket. You can sit on it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Ew.
Wash your hands. Oh, don't put it everywhere.
Clean.
Clean.
Yeah.
Continue. Nice river, eh?
Yeah. And I can say castle.
Probably. You know you're going to have to jump in, mister, when you're done. It's going to be cold. Could be a baby fish, no?
There we go. I'm getting bite, guys. So now I'm using prawn. prawn bait. There we go. Using prawn bait now. No more lure fishing.
Footer.
It's been about 5 minutes or so. It's been out there.
Footer.
Pull it back in. They probably ate your bait.
I think it's still biting. But it's biting very slow. Like I wonder what it is. I hope it's not eel like the last time when I went to the river.
Oh well, a few people eat eel from here. Whatever you catch, it's going in the stomach of somebody else, not ours. Island is a boy, Island is a boy, Island is a boy that loves to play. He loves to dance, he loves to swim, he loves to have fun, everything. Island boy loves to play. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, happy and you know it, clap your hands. That's not clapping your hands.
What?
If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet.
Dum, dum.
Are you angry?
Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet.
Dum, dum.
If you're angry and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet.
See?
If you're sad and you know it, make a frown. If you're sad and you know it, make a frown. If you're sad and you know it and you really want to show, if you're sad and you know it, make a frown. You're a good actor, Island boy. You're a good actor, Island boy. You're a good actor and you are a little cheeky boy. You are a good actor and you should go to Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Yeah, Hollywood. Not Bollywood. Yeah, look what you did, Naman. My gosh.
Oh shit.
What?
Look at it line.
Oh, yeah.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nothing. I don't feel anything. So why was it stretching like that? Well, them took my bait, so something is doing that.
They ate around the hook.
Yeah.
They ate around it.
But it felt so light. When
Oh, you scared me. I'm like, what? There's a snake in the wilderness. You know what? You should come out here with your friend, Kamira, babe.
Yeah.
It's a big drive. It's an hour and a bit, eh?
Yeah.
He almost went down in the water. We on a roll now. Let's go now. Come on, babe. We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Bait up the water for them, whatever is there.
Island boy.
Let's go now.
Let's sing another song, that Island boy song. Ready, Dad? 1, 2, 3.
Let's go now.
Island is a boy that loves to play. Island is a boy that loves to play. Hey, sing along. Island is a boy that loves to play. An island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy that loves to run. An island is a boy that loves to... That is so weird, boy. Anyways, back to the fishing. Here goes babes, guys.
Is your rod?
Oh, don't worry about me. I just love the peace and tranquility that we have in this place, my love. Anyways, we were talking about this the other day, guys, with hubby over here. And we were saying that if you're new to the channel, subscribe. You know, we've got so much content, guys, that we've been uploading for you guys for a very long time now. You know, we've got over 200, I think it's over 200 videos on the channel. Yeah. And I think that, you know, for us to, I mean, we've come a long way, and a lot of people know we have, and you know, we're still making content for you guys and everything. And Island, you're going to fall in the water. It's very cold in there. And I would love to see our channel grow. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And what else, babe?
Just give the video a thumbs up, you know?
Yeah, give thumbs up.
And comment and tell us where you're from if you're new. If you're an old subscriber and you've been watching us constantly and you've been there through the thick and the thin and the thin and the thick, thank you so much. We appreciate the love. You know, I just was talking to Babe like the other day, and we said, like, you know, it would be lovely if you know, our channel had a fair few more subscribers. So our old subbies that are watching us constantly and commenting all the time, we see you, we see the comments, we read the comments. At times we do reply. If not, you just get a like. But anyhow, hang on, Mister wants to have a say. What do you want to say?
Hello, Bengals. Hello, Bengals.
Girls?
Yeah.
What girls?
Hello, Bengals.
Saying hello, boys and girls.
Ah, boys and girls.
Hello, Bengals.
Very good, yeah. So back to what I was saying. If you like what you see and you're new to the channel, and even if you're old, share it to your Facebook, to your Instagram. Let people know that we're out here. You know, we've been trying to keep consistent and give you guys different videos, different, you know, difference, like what we love to do. And we, as you all know, we're an adventurous couple. We're an adventurous couple with a little boy that will be 3 years old tomorrow. And, you know, we await what the future holds. You know, there could be... Oh, Island!
Don't do that.
Yeah, you put it all over me. Island, not here. Come on. Island, you're just putting it... Oh, I'm going to have a bath when I get home.
Oh.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
And Kamasampa.
Anyways, guys, as I was saying... As we were saying,
yeah,
you know, we've been putting and uploading content for a while now. We've got over 200 videos on our channel. We both have individual channels as well. Yeah. If you don't know, hubby is Island Boy Africa, and mine is Latina. Chills with Latina. I haven't uploaded in a while, but I will. I've got content I need to what's it called? Edit. Yeah, edit. So I will upload some more. But as we are here in Australia, doesn't mean that we're not going to travel, and we do want to go back to Jamaica. A lot of people do ask us, when do we plan to go back to Jamaica? We will, won't we?
Yeah, in the near future. You know?
In the near future. Yeah. And for those who want to know whether we're going to expand our island family, meaning have another baby, yes, we will. That's also in the talks and in the plans.
Yeah, man.
We plan to, you know, just have 2 children. We don't want any more. Because kids are very expensive. Yeah, so, and we want to be able to still enjoy life as well. We don't want to just keep creating children, and, you know, we want to do stuff. We want to get out there. We want to adventure. We want to see places. Yeah, there is a lot of things we want to do, but we can't say we want to do this, do that. We just wait and see and plan it out and make it happen.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah. Anyways, that's from me to all of you. Enjoy life, because life is too short. We don't know what tomorrow holds. And, yeah, that is it.
Bye-bye.
in Babe's accent, that is it.
That is it.
Bye-bye, girls.
Hey, you got hot now, mister. He's got his dad's body shape. Hey, skinny boy.
So peaceful here.
Mm.
And
The only thing we did forget was to bring a nice picnic lunch. But at least we know we're here now, and I think you're getting bites, babe. And we can always come back here and enjoy. So, definitely a place we can come camping to.
True. Can't wait till summer. One more month of winter to go.
Yep.
August the last month.
August the last month, so spring will come, and then we're gonna do some camping because baby doesn't want to go out in the winter camping.
Don't want to go camping winter.
I think he should, because it's you only try things once in life. So after Island's birthday, it's my birthday coming up. For all those that are saying Island's a Leo, yes, I am also a Leo too. As you can see, I always, with pride, wear my lion chain or my lion pendant. Lioness, so yeah. And that's why your birthday's tomorrow. Hey, don't say that, Island. Island, do a dance. Do a dance.
I'm a gummy bear. Gummy bear. Every time gummy bear.
Oh yeah.
Baby.
Babe,
Gummy.
Getting a bite, guys. I really don't know if it's a fish or it's just some really small fishes. What the hell was that? What did you... Guys, the red turned. There's something on it. Please don't tell me it's a eel.
Okay, take it that way. Me Jesus.
Let me see what it is first. Oh no, it's a turtle.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. I know that can go to someone. Oh, look at this, guys. Island, look. A little turtle.
The red turned and the cap with it.
Oh,
It have
wow.
even mass on it. Look at it.
Wow.
Hello, turtle.
Oh,
Aww.
yeah.
Yay, you did this.
Oh, I know that can go to somebody that will devour that. I, unfortunately, we do not eat those. We don't eat those.
Look at it, guys.
Hello. You were
Turtle.
hungry, weren't you?
You happy,
It's got moss on it.
Yeah. I think that's as big as they grow. It's like probably.
Oh, it's got spikes on it.
Yeah.
Jeez.
That's why I was trying to hold it a while ago and it just.
Little
is like the
phone
spike
there.
on it.
Mommy, phone then pool.
It's not a pool.
Yeah.
It's a river.
Yeah, it's river.
Get it away from me.
Look at it, guys.
It's got a big neck, babe. You want to take it away?
No,
It
me.
could stretch its neck out. Come on. It's like a
Mom.
bloody doodle. It's gross.
Me.
Let's release it, guys.
Yeah.
Come to
I would take it back, but you know.
film it.
Yep. Filming it.
My turn, Dada.
You wanna touch it?
No.
Just touch it, Bubba.
Careful.
Don't touch the
Turtle
head. Touch
Island.
it. Touch here.
Turtle Island.
Yeah, good boy. Turtle.
Turtle.
Good boy.
They're like Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
Ra, 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 pa, pa, pa.
My turn. No aim.
He's gonna throw it in, Daddy. So guys, hang on, let me tell everyone first. Island has something to tell everybody. Go on, Island, tell. What's going on?
And is a tunnel.
No, we're not talking about Lala. We're talking about school.
No, Tom.
Come on, tell everybody about school.
Mommy.
Tell everyone about school.
Please.
So guys, Island does not want to go to school. I found a school for him which are only at the moment accepting him 2 days a week because of the vacancies. They don't have a lot of vacancies, so 2 days a week, and he's going on Fridays and Mondays starting next week.
No.
And Island doesn't want to go. True, Dad?
True.
Yeah.
You have to.
He has to.
No.
Preschool
No.
before he goes to big school.
No.
Why?
Wait. Isa Cantano, Mom Cantano, Dada Cantano, Desi Cantano, and Nona Cantano, Dada Cantano, and Desi Cantano. Yeah.
And what about Mum? You forgot Mum.
Mommy goes, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Don't worry about the tunnel situation. Talk about school. You're going to go to school and make friends.
No.
Lots of friends. Look,
No.
Tell everybody, I'm going to school to have fun,
No.
to learn
No.
A, B,
No.
C, D,
No.
E, F,
No.
G.
No.
Oh, what was that? All these little friends.
No.
Come on, Island.
No. I need to sleep.
Sleep.
Yeah.
Then I go to school?
No.
Why?
No.
Well, I'm going to throw you in the water.
Please go up, please.
Seems like a current's running, eh?
The wind just picked up. We're leaving this spot. And we're gonna go a bit further and see what's there. The road. And that's pure sun right there. Literally sun. Yeah. A very rocky road.
Mom. I'll go there.
Yeah, that's fine. Throw it down.
See? I'll go there.
That's the way we came from. We're gonna go this way and see how the river situated further.
Yeah. If it's deeper or is there like a waterfall? I'm just gonna browse it. Oh wow, it says welcome to Kyogo.
Oh, so
So it goes around.
this roads lead to Kyogo?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
There's my
Wow,
soul.
okay.
But it's probably like better for like a 4-wheel drive maybe.
Mommy,
When it's
my
wet
soul.
Because
Oh wow, Clarence Wilderness
There's my
Lodge.
soul, Mom.
There's like an actual lodge down
Mommy.
there, so the river must be down there.
okay. Yeah, because that looked like it lead to our home up there.
Maybe.
So maybe the river is that way, guys.
Down here or?
Not sure. Because at this moment we're just guessing where. Yeah, this is real country, guys. Here people live like isolated from most places, from everyone else.
Yeah, it's hot now, isn't it?
So we're not gonna bother go any further up this way. Turn back.
Yeah.
can see trees around and 1 and 2 houses tucked away in the bushes. And some of them it's just one house on some big land. Like acres, hundreds of acres, some of them. Oh guys, they have goats there. Some big goat too. I realize sheep is more of a popular meat here. Well, from my understanding anyway. Yeah, but more while you see 1 and 2 goats. Like, very far away too. But they have the land with them, definitely have to raise some goat.
Doesn't seem like a property, no?
Yeah. So this other road that we took,
It's a property.
it's a property, it leads to a property. It's a gate. It's a big property actually. If you guys could only see. But it's saying no mines, private property keep out.
Wow.
Protect our water, no mines, clear. What's that, clearance?
Clarence catchment. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, that must be it then for the river.
Yeah. Have to get special access to go further. Yeah guys. It's a beautiful drive though, not gonna lie. Beautiful, like coming from all the way up in the mountains.
Yeah, well, we better make it. Don't want to get bogged here, guys.
True. We'd have go kick. We'd have go up on the property.
Yeah, even ask
and ask them. Oh my god. Hopefully they would have been friendly people.
Oh yeah, I think they would if you come to the crunch.
Yeah.
They wouldn't leave you. I'm just thinking like that road alone would take you to through, you know, Kyogo and then back through to Casino, which is really cool.
Yeah. Just when you don't know but the road is going further that way. Even though coming down this way the road was terrible.
Terrible.
And you guys gonna see.
Now.
Yeah man, you guys gonna see. But that property is a nice one, man. We have asked this question before, but we have to ask it again. Like, would you guys live out here?
Yeah.
Away from
civilization.
Yeah. What would you say is the closest town? Like, how long is the drive?
Kyogo going back up that way, but I don't know.
Yeah.
How long it is roughly? I'd have to have a look, eh?
Yeah. It's better to live out here when you have a farmland. Like if you're just living in a house, it doesn't feel good. Like, because if you have a farm, you can either be raising animals or you're planting stuff, which keeps you occupied. You know, you're always active. You know, so yeah, that would be one of the ways I would live out here, is having property, enough property to do certain things. So we're approaching the bridge right now, which is a very sketchy bridge. You guys gonna see. This is the bridge, guys. What are these? They're searching for something.
Can we ask them?
Yes, they have metal detectors. Good day. What you guys searching for?
Gold.
Gold?
Oh, lovely.
Didn't find any.
Oh yeah?
There's gold mines around here, but
oh really?
yeah,
Wow.
Interesting.
Well, that's good to know. Alright, take care, bye.
Wow, gold mine. So this is a sketchy bridge. Look at this. Look how the boards them shake. It's not normal.
Bunch of people just down, like, what, 5 of them?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
5 of them looking for gold.
Yeah man, so gold around here.
There's gold around here.
Wow.
Just a matter of finding it, guys.
Yeah.
They're onto something. They've got all the equipment, everything.
They're not just going in random places. Something out here. They know where.
They know where they're going.
Yeah. They just don't know the exact spot, maybe.
Wow. They look like very like.
What are these? Like pyramids looking.
Here we go. Tank traps. There's a history.
Oh yeah.
Defending Australia.
Yeah.
Archaeologists of the future may wonder why there are concrete pyramids sitting on the banks of the Clarence River in this remote rural location. These concrete structures are tank traps and were built as a part of the Australian defences during World War II. Invasion. Japanese air and sea attacks made Australia fearful of invasion. Roads were critical for moving population, stock and supplies. Needed to be protected. The inland roads and rivers were particularly vulnerable in terms of invasion, as the alternative coastal routes from the north would have required enemy forces to cross several large rivers. Wow.
Interesting. Alright guys, give a closer look.
So luckily the tank traps were required. In 1954, the tank traps were dragged out of the river onto the bank. They are a lasting reminder of how Australia had to prepare itself against possible invasion and form part of the alleged Brisbane Line. By concentrating troops along this line, it would have offered better protection to the more densely populated areas to the south, and people living north of the line would have been evacuated south. You can see another group of timber tank traps on the Mount Lindsay Road, and another set of concrete at the Yonura tank barrier near Airball. 26 dragon's teeth, that's what they call it. 26 concrete pyramids were made on site. Crazy. Well, there you go, they're all there.
Yeah, they're all over there. Let's go see. Oh, this place have history, man.
Oh wow, we could have gone there. Flat. It's more flat there.
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely something we're going to invest in, guys. A canoe.
Yeah.
We can put the canoe up on the car, and we could on the racks.
And to a nice kayak, you know.
A nice kayak.
Or one. We all like 2 people. Yeah, so this is the rocky road we're up on now, and it's going to get even worse, so stick around. We're literally climbing a mountain going all the way up, round and around. Slide off. There's a mailbox there, so someone lives there. So you're telling me there's a mailbox, right? Mm-hmm. So that means people come out here to deliver mail?
Possibly.
For example, if you should order something online, you live out here, you're gonna get it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Or you have to go post office pick it up.
Oh.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Huge stone, huh?
dusty. Dusty.
Really. There's even a school bus that comes through here.
Yeah, you even have the school bus sign.
Wow, look at down there.
Till there's a school bus sign. All the way down so we are come from, you know. And we are climb the mountain, go all the way up.
So driving up these hills, we come across a old car that must have lost control and fell from up the top.
Yeah, and roll come
and
down.
roll come down here. So
Yeah, it's all old and rusted. That's been years.
that's been there for a long. It's an old car.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, because these roads are very unsafe.
Yeah.
They're very gravelly. So
Yeah, skid.
jeez, yeah.
So they go.
Just catch one turtle, guys, but it was a good place to explore something new, somewhere different. See them rock here? Them here. Yeah, I struggle. This is not a four-wheel drive, so it's very struggling to go up.
Sure, we got past that
Yeah, and there's more coming.
because it was skidding back.
Yeah. Because the rocks them so big to forget over them it a skip.
That's where we come from, guys.
Yes. Campground over there. Yeah, so we out of the rocky road now pretty much. And they have sheep there. Got all the sheep. Lots of sheep. We didn't see these when we were coming, babe.
No, they must have let them out.
Yeah, these sheep weren't here when we were
So we're here at the historic area.
Yeah, Pretty Gully. So like a Jamaican name, eh? we just come out of Pretty Gully, you know? Never pretty though. Yeah, like one of the things, guys, like would you be able to live without reception out here? Because that's something you really have to look into. Because when the deeper you go in these parts, it gets so remote that you don't even get good reception.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And the whole car inside's dusty now.
Dusty right now. Yeah, man. We have to give it a good clean at the back right now. It's looking really dirty. Yeah, man, we have smooth road now. The drive through here is beautiful though, I swear. It's not like country still, you know, when it comes to view. Nothing beats country. Driver there.
Hi guys. What's this?
What is?
Watch birds and wildlife, bushwalking, campgrounds, hot showers.
Okay.
You might come back here for camping
Yeah,
in the summer.
definitely.
This is just behind our back yard, really.
True.
It's beautiful. I love it. Oh, look, more goats.
Where? Oh, this was the, yeah, lots of goats. Holy heap of goat over there. This was the camping ground, yeah. Bird watching, camping, bushwalks. Yeah, a whole heap of goat over there.
Oh, bushwalking. Open, relax, recharge.
We bring home one of them, go curry now. Curry goat.
Wow, you can definitely know people definitely live out here. There's kids to be rolling to school.
Is this abandoned house? Yeah, it's abandoned.
Oh, wow. Do you want to go have a look?
I'm not go in there. That's how I'm good.
Are you sure?
No, island sleeping, we're good.
I'll wait for you.
No, I'm good. I'm not going there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. Is this another abandoned one or it's...
Looks like it's abandoned, no?
Oh yeah, it look abandoned too. How I go on here so?
There's bamboo all around it.
See, it's there's a sign that says warning on the window, but I can't see the rest of the word. Yeah, these bamboo, they don't grow much bigger than this. Wow, looks like some kind of wrong turn something. I swear.
You want to go have a look?
I'm a good babe. I'm not go over there.
I'll go.
Yeah? No, sir. You go out there, man.
You might find
What's that? Rehabilitation,
government
maintenance. Oh,
be fixing the roads and that, as you can see.
yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what the heck? Could be a dead body in there.
So,
Do you want to go have a look?
no.
Oh, that was a couple people. Well, they're building a new home by the looks of it. Oh, a kangaroo!
Oh, yeah. And then we can't catch it on camera. Just jumping at the bush right here. Kangaroo. Where is it? God. Oh, there it is. It's right over there, guys. Let me try zoom. Kangaroo. Hi. It's a baby one, eh?
I'm smart.
Yeah.
I'm so smart.
There's another one.
Aww.
It's two of them. They're babies, look. Can you see them?
They're probably running away from the parents. They can go and do some naughty things. Oh, that looks like beans.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, two baby one. Look at them. Them just staring at us.
Aww.
Wow, kangaroo. Out in the wild, eh? And the more outback you go, you're bound to see.
I feel like I need to slow down because I'm scared this kangaroo's gonna run out.
For real. Oh no.
No, it's Vanuatu's.
Vanuatu's?
Yeah. It's all black people. It's not good.
Oh, so they're there like, so you sure we can go in there?
Do not enter.
No vacancy, do not enter. Sure we're allowed to?
I don't know, they're either Aboriginals or
Yeah.
we just decided to come and have a look. It's a community.
Yeah, it's like a community for real.
Oh, like an Aboriginal community.
Well, best not to go without authority permission, so turn off the camera, guys. Don't want to risk it. Hey guys, so they're Vanuatu people.
They could be Torres Strait Islander too.
Yeah, they're all playing like sport down there. It's like
Oh
a
wow, yeah.
like a get together.
Like a get together.
Yeah. Should we ask him where he's from?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there's someone here too.
Oh really?
It's nice to ask someone like what's going on here,
Yeah.
but
It's a third birthday party?
yeah,
Oh, Island's birthday's tomorrow.
for real. Wow,
Oh wow.
they're celebrating.
We're celebrating. Well, we just almost crashed someone's party.
Exactly. We didn't really want to invade with camera really, so it's just like, you know, we don't know what exactly is happening,
Yeah.
but just wanted to have a peek.
Shit, the guy's gonna shut back.
Oh no, don't scare me like that.
Oh, maybe it was an Island's future wife
Yeah.
turning 3.
They were there playing volleyball, right?
Yeah, volleyball.
Volleyball.
Definitely Islanders. They had the Islander wear, the ladies.
Yeah.
Wow.
And for all who don't know, there's a big Vanuatu community here in Casino.
Yeah.
A lot of them work on the farms and stuff.
Big up to my Vanuatu crews.
Yeah, man, big up to them.
Mates and friends.
Yeah.
Haven't you there when you worked at the farm?
Yeah.
Well, you're
Meet them.
So if you're from Vanuatu and you're watching us, big up to you.
Yeah, man.
We just crashed someone's party. You might know who it is.
I probably would have easy well blending. I could be like,
I'm
oh.
looking at you.
I'll be like, oh, I'm from Vanuatu.
Real.
Yeah.
That guy's Vanuatu.
Oh, they're going.
That's
They're going there. Wow. So it's a get together party and thing. Yeah.
Oh, I was going to ask for some food.
Oh no, there's a cow in the road, guys.
Oh yuck, and one just done a poo.
There's a cow in the road, babe. We don't want this a cow if we lick this a car today. You know? We have insurance for this. Insurance company, this is the video if anything happen. You guys will be able to see. Oh, them take over the road.
It's this one with the horns, babe. It's the one with the horns. We gotta be careful.
Yeah, and look at this baby one standing in the road.
Oh my god, he's coming towards us.
Oh no, it's looking beep at it maybe. It's not even moving. Come on, the road. Where are you in the road? You think you own it? Eh? You pay a tax. To that cow, yeah, man. Easy, my friend. Oh, the control of the pitney, you know.
Stop dugu and
I've been pitting them leg up on the road like what? We have to keep the car very quiet coming over that because Island boy is sleeping. Fully asleep.
I think they have those grids there so that the cows don't go that far and they get stuck. Like the leg might get caught in there. I don't know, I think.
Okay.
They can't like cross the border.
Yeah. I don't know why they leave it like that because one side have fence and one side don't.
Oh shit, did you see the goat?
No? Where?
We just drove past it, it was coming out onto the road.
Oh. Why all of the animals in them cage? In them fencing. This is an adventurous drive, I swear.
Yeah, I love it.
Banana pan tree, yeah, so. Young banana. Someone lives here. It's like a see an old guy there.
Cute. Oh, the dust is in my throat.
It's really dusty, man. Road footage, guys. If you guys just wanna watch, yeah, man, that is it.
Oh, there's no bloody water in the
time I use it, there was water. So I don't know it finished now. Microwave as a mailbox.
Is it a camera on top of that microwave?
I have no idea. Controlled fire.
Yeah.
Think got it somewhere about down, you know. Oh no, the birds them eating some.
Oh, it's a rabbit.
A rabbit? I see two birds that eat it. Jaja. So we are back on the main road.
Back to casino.
Straight to casino, you know. This town, guys. Look how fast we're gonna drive through this town. The town just started from right there, literally.
And it ended.
And it ends right here. And literally this is the whole town of Molongam. That's how do you pronounce it?
I don't want to say it.
Something like Molongam or whatever.
Molongam?
Yeah. Small town. Look where we are. Back in casino. Yes, man. So this is where the video will end. Just want to give thanks for watching, you know.
Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Remember what I said, YouTube's not pushing our content as we would like, so it's up to our loyal subscribers to tell a friend to subscribe, to share our videos on the Instagram or Facebook or whatever social media you use.
Like up the video more, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Thank you.
Give thanks.